We've talked about RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It's the magic that lets AI chat with your own data. But let's be honest, building a RAG pipeline from scratch is a pain. You need to parse PDFs, chunk text, generate embeddings, set up a vector database, and write retrieval logic. It's a lot of infrastructure just to ask a question about a document. Imagine the typical workflow. Document to Python script, to chunking, to embedding model, to vector DB, to retrieval, and finally to the LLM. That's 6 steps where things can break. What if you could just upload the file and ask a question? Enter Gemini File Search. It's Google's fully managed RAG system built directly into the API. No vector database to manage, no chunking algorithms to write. You just give it your files and it handles the rest. It's RAG on easy mode. So what happens when you upload a file? You send your PDF, CSV or code file to the File Search API. Google's infrastructure takes over. First it parses and extracts text from complex formats. Then it chunks the text into logical pieces. Next, it converts those pieces into vectors using Google's state-of-the-art models. And finally, it indexes them for high-speed retrieval. When you ask a question, the system automatically searches your uploaded files, retrieves the most relevant chunks, injects them into the model's context window, and generates an answer with citations. That last part is crucial. Unlike a standard LLM that might hallucinate, Gemini File Search gives you receipts. It tells you exactly which part of your document it used to answer the question. Let's look at the code. It's shockingly simple. First, you upload your file using the media upload method. It handles huge files, up to 2 million tokens of context in the model, but the store can hold much more. Next, you create a tool. In the Gemini API, File Search is just a tool you enable, like function calling. You point it to your file set and you're done. Finally, you start a chat session. You don't need to manually retrieve context. You just send the user's message, summarize the Q3 financial results. The model decides if it needs to look at the files, performs the search and answers. It's agentic behavior out of the box. So, should you throw away your Pinecone or Weaviate setup? Not necessarily. Gemini File Search is perfect for rapid prototyping, internal tools where you don't want to manage infra, and apps that need to chat with specific user-uploaded documents on the fly. But you might still want a custom RAG pipeline if you have billions of documents, need ultra-specific chunking strategies, or need to run entirely on-premise. Gemini File Search abstracts away the boring parts of RAG. It lets you focus on the application, not the infrastructure. If you've been putting off building that chat with PDF feature because it seemed too hard, you no longer have an excuse. Go to Google AI Studio, upload a document, and see how fast you can build your own expert assistant. The code is in the description. Now go build something.